Hey guys, the good folks over at globalptt sent me over these Walkie Talkies free of charge to do a little box opening and a little demonstration. So let's get the box open, see what we get, and then we're going to try them out. So let's get started. All right, first thing we've got is our radios. Two of them. And the lanyards. We got two lanyards here. USB-A to USB-C charging cords. The headset microphones. Got two of those. Little clips put on the back of your radio. Just kind of move that like that, and it will slide down on there. Just like that. There you go. Coming with two charging blocks. Here's the other belt clip. And your user manual. See if we have any battery power here. There you go. May pop up with a QR code.
Welcome to the intercom.
There you go. You can press your menu. You can go into your settings, you can group or member. Just push the menu button again, it'll go into your settings. You can scroll through there. Push your power button to go back. There you go.
Volume level 3.
Volume buttons here.
Volume level 2.
You push the talk button right here, and that's where you're gonna key it up to talk. Over on this side, you have your USB-C charging port and your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I say headphone slash mic. This is IP67 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. And it looks like that's where your SIM card is gonna go. Really nice little radios. I'm gonna put some specs right here for you to read while I talk about these. Now, one of the advantages to this, I've heard some people say, well, I can do the same thing on a cell phone because these work off cell phone towers. Anywhere you can get any kind of cell phone reception, these will work. But the difference between using a cell phone and this, look at the price of a cell phone versus the price of this walkie-talkie. And you get two of them. You imagine buying two cell phones to communicate with each other? I don't think so. Plus, if you drop this or something, it might bother you a little bit, but which is going to bother you more, dropping this or dropping your cell phone? The no-brainer there. So that is the advantage to these over a cell phone. They both work off cell towers. Another difference is with your cell phone, you generally have one provider. With these, it's going to go with the strongest signal, whether it's Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, whoever the strongest signal is, these are going to connect to it. Like I said, it has that built-in SIM card. These are good for 1 year. You can buy more SIM cards when these run out. Last time I checked, it was around $100 for the SIM cards. So that's a lot cheaper than paying a monthly cell phone bill. And as I mentioned, these are IP67. They say they can float. I don't know. Y'all want to try that out? Let's see if they really do float. Let's go in the kitchen for a minute. Radio check.
Radio check.
Whew, that's loud. All right, it says it's waterproof. Suppose you're walking down by the lake or the river or whatever, and you, oops, oh, it fell in. Well, by golly, it does float, doesn't it? Can you see it? Let's see if it still works. Radio check.
Radio check.
Oop, there we go. Sounds good. Oop, I don't have that one turned up. Let's turn it up a little.
Volume level 7.
Sounds good. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Well, there it is. It does float and it is waterproof. There's your proof. Well, we know that they are waterproof and they do float. That's a proven fact now. But let's see how well they work out in the real field. So I have got to get out and do some running around. So I'm going to run this one by my girlfriends, and I'm going to take this one with me, and we're going to try them out. See how well they work. Don't go nowhere. Test, test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you hear me?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also can.
Alrighty. Looks like it's working good.
What's your channel?
Chickeny.
Sounds good.
One thing about these is like I mentioned in the videos, you know, because a lot of my thoughts is it does the same thing as a cell phone, but the difference is if you drop your cell phone, you're not going to be happy at all. So what did you think about them? Tell you what, I'm impressed. One thing I've noticed about these versus some others that I've reviewed, these are thinner. You know, a lot of people like put their phones in your back pocket. You can put that in your back pocket. I mean, you can clip it on your shorts or pants or belts or whatever you got. But if you didn't have that on there, you could just pop it in your back pocket. And if you go to the bathroom and you forget to take it out of your back pocket and you go to stand up and it falls in the water, kind of gross, but it's safe. Not going to damage it. We found that out. Anyway, if you'd like to get yourself some of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.